Hello, my name is Adelina Popescu and I'm a data analyst at btProvider. Today I'll show you how to create an expanding lollipop in Tableau. This type of chart helps end users to visualize a specific category inside a hierarchy so they can hover over the categories and select and highlight the category that they want to analyze. For this, we are already connected to the global superstore data source offered by Tableau. And our first thing to do is to drag the cells on columns twice. And now go to the second axis, right click on it and select dual axis. And now we have to repeat this step, but for this I will select synchronize axis. Now drag the subcategory on rows. And also go to the marks area and change the visualization type for the first field into bar and also modify the size. And for the second field, we have to only modify the size. Now we have to create a new parameter. For this, right click on the dimension area, create parameter, name subcategory parameter. From the data type area, we have to select the string and from the allowable values list. Go to the Add from Field tab and select subcategory and then press OK. Now we have to select to create a new calculated field. Right click on it, create calculated field, named subcategory, size and color. With the formula if subcategory parameter equal to subcategory, then 5, else 1, and. Okay, after this calculated field will be created, right click on it and select convert to discrete, and also we have to drag it on the dimension area. Now we have to create another calculated field. Right click on it, create calculated field named subcategory label with the formula sum of if subcategory parameter equal to subcategory, then cells, else null, and okay. Now we have to go to the marks area and drag into the bar visualization the subcategory size and color on color. And now we have to go to the circle visualization and drag the subcategory size and color on color and also drag it on size. And now we have to drag the subcategory label on label. Now we will also modify a little bit the size for the circle. Okay. Now we have to create a new dashboard. Right, click on it, new dashboard, and we have to rename it expanding lollipop. Drag on it a vertical container, and also we have to drag on it the sheet lollipop chart. We can remove the legend, and also we have to modify the view to entire view. Now go to the dashboard, actions, add action, change parameter. For the source sheet, select the expanding lollipop dashboard and lollipop chart sheet. For the target parameter area, select subcategory parameter, and for the field, select subcategory field. Also, we have to select for the run action on hover. Okay. Now you can hover over the show values, and in this way we will highlight the category you want to visualize and analyze. So this is our skill peel for this week. Thank you for watching us, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.